Go hit the house. Oh no. Oh no you don't. Oh no you don't. Now son of a bitch, it's gonna hit the house. So I went yesterday, picked up 2.5 trucks. Both these got stuck engines. Got high hopes for this one. It's a flathead. It's locked, but it's pretty complete. And I'm gonna try filling them up with PB Blaster and see what happens. Maybe I'll get it to spin over. Got a lot of looks going down the road with this. A lot of thumbs ups. People looking at me and yakking at me when I stopped. It was cool. Strap these shut just because. Might have to take this panel off, but if you look at the interior, this one's pretty complete. Pretty good. Oh, works like new. This one had clutch. Shifters doing something, but the brake pedal, not a lot going on there. These seats are, I don't know what these seats are out of. They look GM to me. I don't know. This one already, 2 of the spark plugs were removed. Carburetor's pretty locked up, but the engine is locked. I don't have my bore scope. I don't know what the heck happened to it. Just gonna look down in here and see how nasty or not nasty it looks. That'd be a miracle if those come out. There's 2 missing. This side. Let's see. Oh wow. It was barely tight. Doesn't look all rusty. Just don't know why those back 2 were missing. So far, better than expected. That one looks really good. That one looks like it's, when it was running, it was running all right. It's brown, the electrode's still there. Look at that. Maybe a little bit of moisture in that one. That's promising. Out of the 2, I really think this one's got the best chance of running. Doesn't look horrible. And the last one, when we get them all. Look at that. That one looks pretty good too. I'm thinking this one has ran fairly recently, probably since I've been alive. I'm gonna let this whole thing soak for a while. By a while, I mean maybe an hour. And this one did have a clutch, and I could feel everything going into gear. So I think I might just go for it. Let gravity work with me. Let it roll off and pop the clutch while she's in gear. And if it spins, cool. If it locks the back tires, whatever. It's not going to come unseized. So I'm going to yank the engine. Lost a fork. No, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, go hit the house. Oh, no. Oh, no, you don't. Oh, no, you don't. Oh, son of a bitch, it's gonna hit the house. Okay. Alright, put some jack stands under it. We'll fire up the machine. Get it out of the way. Alright. Give it a good. Ooh, sketchy. Just settling. Man, it's only an old truck. How much can it weigh? So I got the carburetor off, used a little aero coil on these fuel lines and this vacuum line, and it came off. But the carb is pretty seized. I'm gonna shoot a little aero coil. Hopefully, let it soak in this nastiness. Oh, there's a carburetor in here I forgot about. It works. Good sediment in there. Choke is quite seized. Not looking for a miracle, but you gotta try, right? Much gook, I can't even see. Hopefully, this thing will pull out. I'd say she works. Wonder who dented that oil pan with a forklift. Raise it up a hair and see what happens. Came loose. All right, go up. It actually popped right out. Oh. All right, stop. I'm gonna cut these wires. All right, go up. Keep going. All right. All right. It actually came out pretty easy.